If you haven't made any money with ChatGPT yet, this is because you were trying the old and oversaturated methods. I have earned over $375 in a day using ChatGPT and this free website, which has over 1.9 billion people visiting this site every single month, and most of them are coming from top-tier countries only. And to earn money like this, the step number 1 is to come over to ChatGPT. This is going to be completely new method, so stay tuned till the end. Now, I want you to ask ChatGPT about top 5 most profitable niches, and ChatGPT will provide you the list of top 5 most profitable niches. You can see that finance and investing and online business are the 2 most profitable niches out there, and the website we are going to use today also have the audience interested in cryptocurrency, business, personal finance, and stock and investing. So, the online business niche would be perfect for the purpose of this video. Now, I want you to ask ChatGPT to write a book on best ways to make money online, but don't worry, you don't have to sell these ebooks. Rather, you will be giving this ebook for free, and you will earn money for giving away this ebook. As you can see, ChatGPT will provide us the title for the book, which you can change later if you want to. And from here, our book content will start. You can see the different chapter our book has, but if you read carefully to the chapters, you will find that ChatGPT has only laid the content of the book, not the whole book. Even if you scroll down till the end, there is only content of the book. So now, we have to ask ChatGPT to describe each topic of table of content in 1,000 words each from the book. Then we just copy the title of the book from above, and we will paste it right here, and press enter. Now we will get the explanation for each and every table of content of this book. I would suggest you to read the book and make the necessary changes that you think might help the readers in the better understanding of the concept. Press on continue generating to generate the complete book till the option of regenerate shows here. It shows that the ChatGPT has described the complete book. Once your book is ready, step number 2 is to head over to canva.com and search for ebook in the search box and press enter. Click on create a blank ebook and you will land on this page where you can create an ebooks from scratch. Now, I want you to leave the first page for the cover photo of ebook, and on second page, select the text option from the left-hand side and click on add a subheading from there. It will give you a text box in which you can write the content of your ebooks, so add justice to the top of this page. Now select little bit of body text from left-hand side and it will give you another text box. Add justice box under the other text box. Set the alignment of this text to the left. So now, copy the chapter 1 title from ChatGPT and paste it in the first box. Add just a title so that it looks good for reading. Now, copy the first paragraph from chapter 1 and paste it in the second text box here. And add just a both text box. Click on add page to add more pages to your ebook. And just like this, copy the chapters from ChatGPT and paste them in the Canva ebooks. It will take you 5 to 10 minutes to complete copy pasting your ebook in Canva. You can also create the cover for this book on Canva using the stock footages available here. Once your ebook is ready, step number 3 is to come over to warriorplus.com and create an account for free. Once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, I want you to hover your mouse on affiliate and select offers option from there. On Warrior Plus, you can find different affordable make money online digital courses and digital softwares to promote. There are some terms that you must know in order to find and choose the best offers to promote. You can see the release date of the product here and the number of sales a particular offer generated. An offer must have over 500 sales if it was released a week ago. Second, we have to choose the offer with over 15% of conversion rate and less than 5% of refund rate. Visitor value is the potential amount you can earn per person you send to these offers. Average sale is the amount that the customer spends on purchasing a particular offer. The higher the average sale, the better it is. And at last, there is a heart icon known as plus score, which indicates the performance of the offer over last few months. We need to select the offer with over 20 plus score. Now when you know how to choose the best offer for yourself, you can choose the offer from hundreds of thousands of offers available on Warrior Plus. But for this video, I have choose this offer, Profit Link. It has 18% of conversion rate and 2% of refund rate. Visitor value and average sale is also good. So, let's open this offer in new tab. Here you can find all the info related to this offer, and you can visit the sales page by clicking on this button right here. And you can review the sales page and you can check whether it is worth promoting this offer or not. And if you click on products section on this offer page, you can see how many upsells are there in this offer and the commission you will make on every sale of this offer. So, you will make $8.48 on the first sale of this product. And on upsell of this product in this offer, you will earn extra $4.98. In total, you will earn $13.43. If they buy this additional upsell, you will earn $18.50 extra, which in total will become $26.98. And if they buy all three of these products, you will earn $31.96. And you can see down here, they have one product of $197, on sale of which you will earn $98.50. You don't need to do anything, you just have to share the ebook we created for free with the audience of this website, and you will earn over $374 every single day. So, once you have choose an offer to promote, all you have to do is to click on request approval button over here to get the affiliate link for this offer so that we can promote it and earn money with it. Now in this box, you have to write something like, "Hi, I am," your name. "I am interested in promoting your offer to my audience on." Here you will share the name of the traffic source to which you will promote this offer to. And in this video, we will share this offer on this website. So later, you can write the name of this website here when I will share the name with you. And then, you can just click on request offer. The vendors will see your request and they will most probably accept your request. If they does not accept your request, you can choose some other offers from the hundreds of thousands of offers available on Warrior Plus. Once you are approved by the vendor to promote their offer, you can just click on this get link button next to the offer. And here, you will find your affiliate link for the offer, which you can copy from here and promote it to earn money online. So, once you copy your affiliate link, I want you to come back to your final Canva ebook and open the second page of ebook. Select Add Subheading option from there, and it will give us new text box. Adjust it accordingly. Now write something like, "Earn $1,000 a day with AI." Click here. Then select the whole text in this box and click on this link icon floating above it. Now in this box, I want you to paste your affiliate offer link from the Warrior Plus. After pasting the link, just click anywhere on this page and your affiliate link will be added to the text. Also, change the color of this text to green. So now, whenever someone starts reading this book, they will see this call to action on this page. And, as soon as they click it, they will be taken to this offer's homepage, where they can see that they can earn $1,000 using AI passively. And if they buy this offer, which they can buy for only $16, we will get a commission of $8.48. And if they buy the upsell of this offer, which I showed you earlier, we will keep getting commissions for every upsell they buy. So now, I want you to copy this box from here and paste it on some other pages too. If there are some pages where there is a space in the bottom, I would suggest you to paste this box there. Also paste this box on the last page of this ebook. And now, your ebook is finally ready. So just download your ebook from this share option. Click where it says download, click on this PNG option and select the PDF standard option from there. And make sure all pages are selected in this option and then click download and your ebook will be downloaded in the form of PDF. Now, I want you to upload your PDF to your Google Drive if you have Android device or to iCloud if you have iOS device and get a shareable link of your PDF from there. Make sure the link you provide is not restricted to be approved by you. So just copy the link for your PDF ebook. And now, to promote this ebook, step number 4 is to come over to reddit.com. Reddit is the best website to find your customers and to sell anything online because over 1.9 billion people visits this website in a month and over 48% of the traffic come from the United States alone. So create a free account on Reddit and log into it. And you can see, my posts are getting over 800 views every day. And I will show you how you can do the same. When you log in for the first time, you will have only 1 karma. And you need at least 200 karma to start sharing your ebook on Reddit through posts and comments. And to get more karma fast, you can search for karma communities in the search bar and join this Karma 4 free community. This community helped me to get over 180 karma in a day. So, engage in this community, post in it, comment on the posts of this community, and gain over 200 karma as soon as possible. Once you get the karmas, I want you to click on your profile and select the profile option from there. Click on Add Social Link from there and select the Custom URL option from here. In display text, I want you to write download free ebook and then paste your link in this box and press save right here. And as you can see, our ebook download link has been added to our profile. Now, I want you to search for money in the search bar and filter your search by communities. Join the big communities on Reddit, such as Money Community, Make Money Community, Personal Finance, Beer Money, and all other big make money online communities on Reddit. After joining them, I want you to open the communities one by one and create a post on each one of them. And for the title and the description of the post, I want you to come back to ChatGPT again and ask create a post for Reddit to promote my ebook and press enter. Copy this reply post from here and paste it in the post of this community. Just make sure everything is according to the rules of this community, which you can read here on the right-hand side. Now in the title, I want you to add free so that people know that this ebook is completely free. Also, I want you to include in your post, you can find the ebook on my profile. Include this 2 times in your post. Because, according to the rules of this community, we can't post affiliate links. And just post your ebook post in this community. Just like this, post your ebook post in the different Make Money Online communities. And when people will read your ebook, they will see this affiliate link to the Warrior Plus offer. And as soon as they buy the offer, you will get paid. And that's exactly how I make over $375 a day with ChatGPT.